Hi guys, so another video, and today we will be finishing off these ends here. Needs to all be welded up, and then after that we might, I was going to say we might make a start on an arch, but there's a bit of a problem with that because tonight a friend is bringing his car over for big overhaul at the front end mechanically. And that'll be in here for a week while he's on holiday. So I will probably do some videos on that, but that's got to stay on the jig out of the way over there, so I can't take that off the jig yet. So after that we might actually have to start over in that corner over there where there's a bit of a hole in the boot floor and just carry on treating other areas of the boot floor really for now. So yeah, and it's currently Tuesday the 3rd of July. I believe, not 100% confirmed yet, but potentially the Monday coming, a subscriber is actually bringing his car in for me to take the engine out, and because the engine's seized. He's got a new engine, swap the gearboxes over, and put the engine back in his car and have a look at the wiring for him. So yeah, that would be good. Get a subscriber's car in here. Obviously I'll try and record some of that. So this is going to be on the back burner for probably a couple of weeks-ish at this point. I'll get a bit done here and there where I can, but yeah, for the most part we'll be working on other people's cars. So this has got to be able to stay mobile and tucked out of the way, so I can't get it off the jig just yet. So as I say, yeah, we'll start over there after we finish these ends. I really need to get some more primer. Well, I've got a bit, I'll use up what I've got. Need to clean up the rest of this boot floor, because like, where I've taken the paint off the new panel is already getting a bit of surface rust on it. So I really need to do that. So yeah, that's where we're at. Yeah, this is going to be the last full decent day of getting any work done on this now for a little while, so let's see what we can get done. Right then guys, that's me done for today. Sorry I forgot to record some bits of what I did, such as this patch here which I made up, which you can't actually see for the most part along this edge. It's not too bad. But yeah, made up a patch to go in here because obviously that was all rotten. I'll quickly hop over here and see if I can show you the bit that we cut out. There we go, should have been more prepared and left it over there. There we go. So it was quite rotten and I'd moulded it up a bit, bent it. So yeah, there we go. That's rid of that. Didn't get as much done as I wanted to do today either, because my legs are absolutely killing me because I got really bad sunburn at the weekend, so I keep them to just sit down and let them rest a minute, so that doesn't help. But anyway, that's where we're at for today. I should really have not bothered cleaning all the paint off this just yet, because I'm not really going to get much time for it now for a little while, but maybe maybe tomorrow or day after I'll just give myself half an hour to finish cleaning this up a bit more, get a quick bit of paint on it. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at now. Also, I forgot to grind these welds down, I just noticed. We'll do that as well. So yeah, friend's going to be bringing his car in 20 minutes, so I need to get this place tidied up and hoover all the shards of metal off the floor so it doesn't get stuck in his tyres. So yeah, that's all we've got time for. Thank you for watching guys. Like the video if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next video, which will likely be yeah, doing bearings or something on my friend's car. So yeah, there we go, that's where we're at. Cheers for watching, guys. Bye for now.